Hello everyone, and welcome to the Zeo Route Planner dashboard. On the far left, the sidebar provides quick access to key sections like Dashboard, Drivers, Routes, Create Route, Global Search, Plans and Payments, Add-ons, Chat with Drivers, Chat with Us, Settings. This navigation helps you move across different parts of the platform efficiently. On the Routes tab, you'll see a list of drivers assigned to routes. Each driver card displays driver name and email or mobile number, number of stops completed versus total stops. You can track the driver and keep a track of the battery charge on driver's device. You can create route with plus button next to driver's name. You can also use the search driver option to quickly find a specific driver. This section can be collapsed to view the map view by selecting the toggle option, below which three types of views can be selected, namely Map View, Split View, Table View. To better understand and manage the routes of the day, let's check out the features when we click on Stops tab. Here I have already uploaded 10 stops for you to demonstrate how this feature of drawing on the map and selecting addresses. On the top right corner, you can see 5 icons. With the Stop Drawing option, the hand helps us to adjust the map, hover over stops to check out the addresses, and use the Select Marker option to add a stop at you will dot. Here I have demonstrated you how to select a marker and add address. Click Save to add this as one of your stops of the day. Draw any shape using the 3 icons to select the area you want to include in this route. After we auto-optimize this route, we cross-check stops we need for this route. Click on Select Stops button. Next, we move on to selecting drivers and optimize the final route by clicking on Assign Drivers button. Next page summarizes the route details. The central section of the dashboard displays the interactive map view. Here you can see the optimized route drawn on the map, numbered stop markers showing the stop sequence. The full driving path for the selected driver is visible on the map. This gives you a clear visual overview of how the route is laid out geographically. Below the map, you'll find the route summary details for the selected driver and date. This section displays a lot of information: driver name and route date or route title, total number of stops, total parcels he has, the complete trip distance and duration, including driving and stop time. Let's see what the 3 dots on the right allows you to do. Edit changes to the route details or stops. Reverse route, run the route in reverse. Share the driver's live location for real-time tracking. Download, save the route details for offline access or records. Delete, remove the route if it's no longer needed. Reassign the route to another driver. Copy route to create a duplicate of the route to reuse later. Schedule the route to run on specific days or times. This list shows the order of the optimized route in this case. Store address University of Florida as start and end location, followed by a sequence of pickup and deliveries. Stop, number and location name is visible for every stop. Information such as address details. Stop type, such as pickup or delivery. Estimated service time. Distance and travel time from the previous stop. Linked deliveries, if applicable, is visible on every stop address block. On selecting the stop, we can make changes to the details such as delivery note, invoice number, start and end time, customer name, customer email, customer mobile number, after making required changes. Click Save. The search address option on the top left helps us add addresses for a new route. Icons of Create Route, Upload Stops Excel, and Upload Image with stops on the right corner. The taskbar above this shows the date of which you are viewing the route for, right side showing buttons for Need Help. To assist you when you get stuck icon and notifications icon to keep the fleet owner up to date with his deliveries. Let's wrap up our dashboard overview. The dashboard brings together drivers, routes, maps, and stop level details into one unified view. This allows you to track progress, identify delays, and manage daily delivery operations with ease. And that's a quick overview of the Zeo Route Planner dashboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.